Hello guys, welcome back. Bitcoin information. Today I gonna share you how to protect your Trust Wallet account and how to you decrease your Pancakeswap gas fee. So let's get started. So at first you have log in your Trust Wallet account, then you can see that dApps option. Click the dApps option, then we are looking for Pancakeswap. You can click on the Pancakeswap, then waiting little bit. After that you can see that front page just here. So before you buy any new coin on Pancakeswap, you have to deposit BNB Smart Chain coin and BUSD or BNB coin. So you can click on the BUSD. I have BUSD, that's why I click the BUSD. From here you can put $100, then select the currency, which currency you will buy. Here I just put SafeMoon contract address. If you are new to buy SafeMoon here, so you must put here contract address. You just you can collect a contract address from CoinGecko and coinmarketcap.com. So here you can see that I already put SafeMoon contract address, that's why it shows SafeMoon here. So right now I just search SafeMoon, just click the SafeMoon. You can see that slippage tolerance, that means gas fee. If you want to buy SafeMoon on Pancakeswap, then you must pay 12 to 20% gas fee. So today I'm gonna share you how to you buy SafeMoon on Pancakeswap with only 1% slippage tolerance, that means 1% gas fee. Just you can click on the understand, I understand, then continue, click the continue button. Then you can just setting, you just look that gear button, click on the gear button, then you can see that default transaction speed. Fasted, you just need to click fasted, then you just need 1%. After that you can see that 100 equal to this amount SafeMoon. So we just need to remove last two 0 digit, 1, 2. Then we can again put 20. Yes, then click the swipe option, confirm the swipe. Yes man, we did it. We just now able to buy SafeMoon with only 1% slippage tolerance, that means 1% gas fee. It is really maybe helpful for you. So now we just focus how to protect our Trust Wallet account. You just come to the Trust Wallet apps, then you can check the gear button, it's called setting. We just click the setting, then you just click the security option, then put your security code, then passcode. You need to approve passcode. You can see that unable to passcode, so we just put the passcode here, any digit which you want. Then you can auto lock setting. If you are waiting for 5 minutes, I just setting auto lock for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it's automatically lock the my Trust Wallet to secure my fund. Then you can see that here transaction signing. In every transaction you must need to transaction signing code. If you approve this, then a scammer never log in your Trust Wallet. So it's must necessary you just approve the transaction signing. Every transaction, every buy sell, you must need to before provide your transaction signing code, so hacker never able to access your Trust Wallet account. So I think these two tips for helpful your future trading on Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap.